everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you another discovery that I have and that I'm loving so far. And so you know me, when I find something that I really like, I would not be able to hold off. And I'm just going to tell you right up front. All right, so are you ready? Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about hellothematic.com. And Thematic is all about connecting creators and music artists. So whenever you produce something, you need great songs to soundtrack your videos. So music artists actually need a promotion. So that's where the collaboration comes in. Thematic makes it happen. So Thematic is like the middleman between you as a content creator and the artists that are trying to promote their music. And this is also safe. All of the songs are already pre-cleared, so you are able to fully monetize your videos without worrying about licenses, without worrying about claims, or without the artist disputing you. What you need to do is just to acknowledge them or to attribute the song to them when you use them on your videos. So it's also collaborative. This is a public beta for now, so you have the access. It's free, no membership fees, that is, no licensing fees, and no revenue sharing. So we can use this, I can use this, every one of us can use this. And I want you to use that on your videos as well and let me know how your experience is. But today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use this website as I use it. And I'm also going to be sharing with you how I actually organize the music that I get from Thematic website. All right. So this is just a website, plain and simple. All right. And it's very unassuming. You really can tell that it's kind of a music site, unlike any other websites that I've probably shared with you in the past already. So there's another interesting thing that I wanted to share with you, and that's who the people behind Thematic are. So let's go ahead and meet the team right now. There you go. I'm sure you know Michelle Fun. Maybe you have grown up watching her videos, her makeup tutorials and that stuff. So why Michelle Fun? So let's do a little run through to her story. So she says here that she's passionate about finding undiscovered and talented artists, and she wants to help those artists get to the next level by providing a new way to reach fans. So if you are not aware who Michelle Fan is, in 2007 she actually launched her YouTube channel, and then she collaborated with a lot of artists, and then she exposed music to millions because she's using this music as soundtrack for her videos. And then in 2014, she was actually sued by a record company. What did she do? She created a community where you can actually find great music from real artists for your videos. So that's a little trivia that I think you might want to know about the origins or about why Thematic actually came into being. And let's just walk through here. This is the team. They are built in Santa Monica, California. And of course, Michelle Fan is the co-founder and the rest of her teammates. And then they have investors as well. So then, now all you need to do is to click on Try Thematic, and then it will show you some of the sample music, and there's also a search, a browse music, a login, and a join free button. I'm already a member of this, so I'm not gonna click on join free already, but I'm gonna show you how it works. So just click on it and it's gonna ask you for your Google account. So why Google? Because it actually goes direct to your YouTube channel. All right. So I've already signed up earlier. You can choose to sign up as a creator, or if you are a musician, you can also sign up as a music artist. Now let's go to logging in. Let's pretend that we have already logged in. So I'm going to click on login, and I'm going to go ahead and click on sign with Google. And it's going to show me the Google accounts that I have. So I'm going to click on my main YouTube channel. All right. And I'm now logged in. There. Now I've already downloaded a few videos, so you will be able to see them when you click on downloads. There you go. the music that I have downloaded in the past. So if you want to browse or if you want to search for songs, all you need to do is to click on browse music, and then it will populate and it will show you some of the songs that you can listen to and decide if you want to download them or not, or if you want to use them on your videos, or maybe just collect them and listen to them if you want to. So here are the selection. You can actually filter them. You can also look at the featured music. You can click on new music so that you can just view the new music that was released. And of course, you can click on staff picks so that you can take a look at the recommended music sources that the staff of Thematic has chosen. All right, so there you go. And probably I'm going to click on new music so we can have fresh music for our videos. So let's go and listen to one. Okay, that is not something that I like, so I'm going to choose another one. Okay, that is something that I might like. I like the intro. And all you need to do is to click on the download button right here. It's just beside the plus sign. All right, and then it's going to download to your computer already. Okay, now when you go back to the main page, it's going to show you your downloads. And what I do is actually copy the information right here so that when I use them on my YouTube videos, I would be able to copy and paste the attribution that is correct. So the title of the song is A Loft. So I'm going to open my spreadsheet right here so you can save them. If you have Google Drive, then you can use Google Spreadsheets. I'm just using numbers because I have a Mac computer. If you are using a Windows computer, you can use Excel. All right, so I'm going to type here the title of the song, and then I'm going to copy the credit to the artist. All right, and I'm just gonna paste right here. So that's how I try to organize the music that I have. And then what I can do later is to actually arrange this so that they will be alphabetical. And if I have to listen to the songs, or if I want to use them on my videos in the future, then I can just copy and paste this in the description box so that I will not be in trouble. So even if these are free, and even if I mentioned earlier that you will still be monetized for using. But of course, we wanted to help these artists that are creating this music for us. And this is just one way of us appreciating what they do for producing this kind of music, the music that we want, the music that we can use for free for our videos or for any other purpose that we want. So maybe you just want this for private listening, so you may not use this attribution links anymore. But if you use them publicly, like post them online and all that, it's free to acknowledge, it's free to attribute, so why not just do it? All right, so that's it. If you want more music, more songs and all that, you can just browse. If you have the luxury of time to do that, then you can do that. And that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna devote probably an hour of my time today so that I can get more music for this list. So I'm gonna fill this up so that I have ready music when I start producing more videos in the future. So if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I would like to invite you to come visit KD Paper Designs, where I share tutorials and also share my family travels. So that's it for me today. If you have any questions, please do let me know. If you have any suggestions on what videos I should produce in the future, please do get in touch with me as well. I would love to hear from you. So that's it. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye now.